guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing y'all how I do a $3 manicure using everything from the Dollar Tree. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. Okay, that is it. Super simple, and I just always make sure I don't get my hands wet for a while. And these will probably last a couple days. Parrot. Parrot. Little Anna, dressed as Anna. So, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Do a $3 manicure using things. She won't let me. Gotta be quiet, okay? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, today I am showing y'all how I